Hi guys, it's Nunu, your friendly teacher guide, and I'm here with you in discussion 1, Tennessee Williams play A Streetcar Named Desire, 1947, scenes 1 through 6, 1,000 words, 50 points. Okay, let's survey this assignment. Up at the top, we have a Shmoop Freytag's Pyramid video, and we have an illustration of Freytag's Pyramid. Scrolling down the screen, we can see that we have 3 links. We have a timeline, an assignment purpose, and a discussion rubric. We also have a part 1 and a part 2. Okay, I'm going to click on the timeline. The timeline is extremely important as Canvas lets me list only one due date, but most of my assignments have 2 parts. They have a part 1 and a part 2, so always make sure you click on the timeline. Our timeline for discussion 1 is post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. If you think you're going to not meet this timeline, come over here to inbox and email me right away. Please let me know what's going on, and I'll see if I can help in any way. Okay, I'm going to click on the back arrow. I'm back into the assignment. The assignment purpose is here. I'm not going to read it with you, but I'm going to ask you to read it. I'm showing you that this link works. You also have the discussion rubric, and this is how you are evaluated for this discussion. And it's right here. What is an A grade, a B grade, C, D, F grade? How I grade. So that will be extremely important to you. Okay. I'm going to go back into our assignment here, and I'm going to read part 1 with you. So watch the Freytag's Pyramid video at the top of the screen, and here is the video right here. You just need to click here. So you watch that video, then in 750 words, 3 pages, answer the questions below about scenes 1 through 6 of Tennessee Williams' 1947 play, A Streetcar Named Desire. Now, I have a link to scenes 1 through 6 right here. If this link does not work, simply go into Google and type the name of the play, and it will come up right away. Things move around on the net, and sometimes I have to redo a link. So if that happens to you, simply type in the name again of the play, and you'll be fine. So here are questions 1 through 3. Which I will not read with you. I'll let you read them on your own, but I will read part 2. Part 2 is peer evaluations. You're going to write a minimum of 125 words, half a page, in response to 2 peers' postings for a total of 250 words, 1 page. So 125 words for each peer evaluation, for each peer posting. Okay, now what should you write about? Compare your answers to the questions with your peers' answers. All right, I'm going to scroll up to the top of the screen. I'm going to come over here to inbox again, and I'm going to tell you you're never ever bothering me when you email me. Never apologize. I'm a person on the other side of the screen, and so are you. If the assignment's not clear to me, clear to you, then you need to ask me questions and ask me to make it clear, and I will. Okay, and I like to hear about you. I care about your learning. So never hesitate to email me. All right, let's have a good week.